everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 2419 Fall Harvest Crescent in Pickering. All right guys, so we have an N unit, Mattamy built townhome. It's freehold, over 1,600 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Why don't you guys fly on over and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this property. Don't miss the opportunity to take your shot. Hey, fix it. We can't leave without doing this. They want to hear it. Get Kabani, get sold.